Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-Sportline, and today I've got a Cybertruck we just finished wrapping. Let me walk you through this. This is a two-tone wrap. This is vinyl and it's from Inozetek. These are some wild names on this film. First up top, this is Satin, Liquid, Star, Metallic up on the top. And then down here, this is Gloss Metallic, Blue Raspberry. If nothing else, this thing wins with the most exotic names for vinyl film. But two films from Inozetek installed here at T-Sportline. The blue on the bottom, the top side with that silver look up here. It's really cool. This kind of looks like this was just Cybertruck stainless up here. I would say the shade of that matches nicely, but it's film and it's steady and stable, so you don't have any imperfections, any issues like that from the raw stainless. Looks really cool. And then down here, this blueberry raspberry down here is a nice color. It's not extremely metallic, it's just a little bit, just enough. So a pretty cool look on this thing. And then finally, this customer opted for us to add a little bit of window tint up front on the front window in the front quarter. We can do it however you guys like. So I'm curious, what do you guys think of this two-tone? We've done a lot of two-tones. We haven't done one for a minute, but it's nice to see another one here in Atlanta. I think this thing looks really cool. Can't wait to see it out on the streets. Let us know what you think, guys. Drop a comment below. Do you like the two-tone? What do you think of these two Inozetek colors? And then, of course, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Come back soon. We got a lot more of these to share with you.